Have you ever wondered how your body builds muscles, repairs tissues, or even grows hair? The answer lies in a fascinating process happening inside your cells right now: protein synthesis. Every second, millions of tiny protein factories are hard at work. But how do they know what to build?
Inside the nucleus, DNA holds the instructions for making proteins. Think of it as a master blueprint written in a code using 4 letters: A, T, C, and G.
But DNA never leaves the nucleus. So how does the rest of the cell get the message? This is where transcription comes in. A copy of the DNA is made in the form of messenger RNA, mRNA.
mRNA acts like a portable instruction manual, carrying the code out of the nucleus.
Now comes translation. The ribosome reads the mRNA in sets of 3 letters called codons. Each codon matches a specific amino acid. Transfer RNA brings the correct amino acids to the ribosome. One by one, amino acids are linked together to form a chain. This chain folds into a unique 3D shape, and that shape determines its function. For example, a folded chain can become a muscle fiber, an enzyme, or an antibody.
And that's protein synthesis, from DNA to a fully formed protein. This process is happening inside you right now.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick science breakdowns.